guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're enjoying your Labor Day weekend. Share with me what you did by leaving a comment. I did exactly what I'm doing here, cleaning. By the way, this video has tons of cleaning and organizing motivation, and I'm also decluttering my closet. I plan to decorate for Halloween in a few weeks. I chose not to decorate for fall because I've never decorated for fall and didn't want to do anything different just for the sake of a video. Also, in support of my channel, please subscribe, like, watch the entire video, and leave a comment. It helps my channel grow. Thank you. Max left me a surprise in the laundry room again. Whenever it storms out, he gets nervous and hides in the laundry room and pees by the dryer. And most of the time I find it by stepping in it, but today I noticed it ahead of time. I have 4 loads of laundry I need to complete today. I routinely wash, dry, and fold 1 load a day, but over the last 3 days, I've been in the streets looking for this Halloween decor. I'm so excited to start decorating for Halloween. But anyway, let's get started because I have an ophthalmology appointment in 2 hours. You see, I had a stroke in 2010 and tore the retina. So they did what's called a retinal repair surgery, and now I'm partially blind in this right eye. But I see a specialist because I have to make sure that things are not getting worse. And luckily, after today's appointment, they said it wasn't. But guess what? It's not getting any better either. If you've watched my relaxing nighttime clean with me video, you know Max and I chill on the couch 1 hour before his bedtime. So every morning I like to remove, shake, and fold this throw and place it in the basket. And as you can see, he is watching me like a hawk to ensure I don't lose his favorite throw. He does the same thing when I move his toys. I like to vacuum the entire couch every day as well because Max likes to sleep on the couch, and he also rubs his face on the side of the couch. The last thing I do in the family room every day is slow vacuum my carpet. I try to remove as much dirt, dust, and dog hair as possible, and I'm amazed each time when I empty the canister of how much I actually pick up. I always clean my bathrooms by spraying a cleaning agent in the sink and letting it sit while I do something else. And in this case, I need to check on laundry. My first load is done, and I want to start my second load before tackling this bathroom. I wanted you guys to see how dirty my sink was, but I forgot to move the camera. I remembered when I cleaned hubby's sink though. I'm using a mixture of Dawn dish detergent, distilled vinegar, and water on my quartz countertops. And sometimes I use Clorox wipes, but it's not recommended. This lidded dish and match clothes from Anthropologie about 2 months ago. They're a little pricey, but I absolutely love them. had this Rubbermaid scrubber now for about 2 years, and it works wonders around the faucet. I would normally fill this tub with hot water, borax, and Clorox and let the jets do the work, but since we hadn't used it in a while, I decided to just spray and wipe. After vacuum, I normally use my steam mop, but I forgot to get that on camera this week. I'll get it next week, but I did remember to clean out the cracks in the corners today though. I always use a tissue to wipe the dust off my canisters as well as the toilet before using the Clorox wipes to wipe it down. I hadn't planned on it today, but I decided to dust and vacuum our closet. We wear shoes in our home, which tracks in a lot of dirt and dust, and this closet needed a good vacuuming. I keep my linen closet stocked, but I always forget to dust and vacuum it, so that was definitely on my list of things to do today. My second load is done and we're moving on to the third. By the way, in between each load, I like to fold and put away my laundry and also clean the lint trap. It's now time to tackle this decor closet. I wanted to clutter and organize it. I really just need to get rid of some of these boxes and make room for the new Halloween decor I recently purchased. I picked up these crows from Kirkland's. They look so real. And these bird cages and skeleton is from Target. And the skull and the glass dome is from Michael's. Also, the artwork is from Michael's and the spiders are from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. This is where I store all of my wrapping paper and tissue paper for gifts, and this poor bag is busting at the seam. Eventually I'm going to have to go through here and declutter it as well. While I was dusting the closet, I realized that Max was picking up some of the chips that had fallen out of the broom. So I had to wrestle with him to get those chips out his mouth. And you know what I did? I bribed him with a treat. That was the only way to get him to drop it. Recently got over being sick, and you wonder why, because he's always picking up stuff and eating it. This is my Halloween tote, and unfortunately I was unable to get everything that I purchased in there. Maybe that'll prevent me from buying anything else. Give my half bath a deep clean by wiping everything down, including the walls, the doors, and the moldings, before moving on to the kitchen. Thursdays are towel wash days, so we change the towels in our bathrooms weekly. But I also change the towel in our half bath twice a week because it's used by our guests and it's located off the entryway. We're moving on to washing the walls, moldings, and doors. If you're new to my channel, I like using the Zep Foaming Wall Cleaner. My goal is to try to get all the walls, doors, and moldings clean before the new year. I washed most of the dishes last night, so I only need to load the dishwasher with items we used at breakfast. If you've been with my channel for a while, you know I like to wash and dry Max's food bowl by hand. It says it's dishwasher safe, but I don't trust it. I also like to wash and dry my knives by hand. Placing them in the dishwasher causes them to rust. The dishwasher's not full today, so we're not going to start it. And we stack the dishwasher over a period of days. That's why it's important that we wash our dishes before we place them in the dishwasher. I wash the ring of my dishwasher every day, but you wouldn't think by the look of that sponge. Good gracious. I try to fold and put away my laundry right out of the dryer. As a person that suffers from anxiety, it's overwhelming if I see a large load of laundry that needs to be folded and put away. I started this channel on January 31st of this year, and my third video was cleaning and decluttering this closet. The video quality is not that great, but the content is. Since decluttering and organizing, I've kept it up and saved a ton of money because I'm no longer purchasing duplicate items since I can see everything I have. Before getting back to laundry, I want to vacuum by this garage door. We enter and exit through this door most of the time, and it causes it to get pretty dirty, as you can see. Earlier in this video, I stated I had 4 loads of laundry. I actually had 5. I had to rewash these towels. They had an unpleasant odor on them when I pulled them out of the dryer. I'm going to use this cleaning agent borax and wash them again. And I'm also going to clean my washing machine by placing a washing machine cleaner in the tub and running a cycle. After washing and drying these towels for a second time, the stench is gone. I'm not sure if it was from using the borax, cleaning the washing machine, or both, but you know what? It doesn't matter as long as something worked. Next up, I want to wash Max's towels in crate liner. I sanitize these weekly and try to wash them while he's asleep. When he's awake, he has a fit when he sees all his towels in his crate liner sitting in the laundry room, and he barks at me to return them to his area. That's probably why he pees by the dryer sometimes. I always disinfect my baskets after I'm done unloading them. We just finished all of the laundry. Now we're going to dry and fold, and we'll be done for the day. As you can see, it's pretty late in the evening, but once I'm done folding these dish towels, I am going to bed. It has been a long and busy day, but hang in there with me, we're almost done. If you made it this far in the video, I want to thank you for watching Sissy Spaces. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button and share this channel with your family and friends. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday.